Examples of the cascading costs of noncompliance. So this is general, it's not specific to DSCSA, and this is more in 101 territory again for folks who are newer to this framework. What kind of implications does this have for these, administrative advisory actions? What does it actually mean for your company? So I just want to make sure everyone understands that a 483 or warning letter may not just be a regulatory issue. The consequences can cascade down beyond your relationship with the agency. So of course, on the regulatory side, pending approvals can be withheld, export certificates denied, import alerts can block your product at the border, and government contracts can be precluded. On the litigation side, plaintiffs' attorneys routinely cite 483s and warning letters in product liability complaints. They use them to argue the company knew or should have known about a defect or quality failure or something like that. You can also see securities class actions if a public company's stock drops after a warning letter, shareholder derivative claims alleging oversight failures by the board, and key TAM actions under the False Claims Act brought by whistleblowers. And financially, remediation alone can cost millions per site. There are a lot of different stats out there, but lost sales from delayed approvals and quarantine inventory just compound the damage. And again, there are a bunch of estimates out there, but it can get expensive. That's the bottom line. And reputationally, warning letters are permanently posted on FDA's website. 483s are obtainable by anyone through FOIA. A lot of these advisory and administrative actions, if they're not immediately publicly available, they can be selectively available, and they're certainly often FOIable. So your competitors, your investors, journalists, and plaintiffs' firms all monitor these databases. And yes, even trading partners conducting supply chain due diligence may reconsider doing business with a firm that's come under FDA scrutiny. So something to keep in mind about some of those potential costs of noncompliance.